Okay, there we go. All right. Under a visual that's 10 at night Central Time. So, but I'm gonna show you my beard, and I'm not sure. I don't got like, but anyways, I got these curls. Fuck, you're not gonna be able to see, but yeah, I don't know. I don't curl it; it just does it. I guess because I'm stressed out. Um, Anyways, right here, I just posted this. I keep posting these wide images, and they give you an option to adjust it. What I did was put it on, took the PNG, this PNG right here, because when I click on it, nothing happens. It just, I was thinking that if you clicked on it, it showed the full image. It does not. So what I did was take that image, then placed it back into Illustrator as the image, the PNG file, and placed it on 11 by 8.5 by 11 piece of paper. This one I placed all the digits so you can place them in yourself, and then you would have to print that and then print this. This is the second half. You see 606. I'm gonna get the brush up right there. And then the 606 is at the base bottom right there. Same with the next two images. There's the top, it ends at 76, and then it shows the bottom. 76 is right there. So the key aspect, if I want to, sorry, my finger may get on there, shorthand this, is the 5 down at the bottom. You go up to the top, there's 2 there. So if you count, it's 26 rows. All right, so wait, it's 26 columns was the original thing. Now it's 27. Okay, for me to understand that, because that's why. So it's 0 through 24 is what I originally presented. I don't know where I would have presented it at. Yeah, right there. So, but adding the extra column to show, like that 24 break, it's actually 25 columns. The reason why we started 0 is because it's programming. Now, what I did in this one is to iterate, because it's underscore, which is the only way you can show blank space. You can, well, let me see if I can zoom in. You can see the underscore right above the 0, but underscore is 95, so it's actually illustrating you to do 950. So that's why, and at 24 columns times 38, you get 950. So, and that ends down there. But literally, if you look at the what happened with the 5 and 8, they basically swapped, or actually, they didn't swap. If you look at, let me get the brush again. Shit. Right there, at that spot, that 5. So you look right above it. All right, let me see if I can do this. So that 5 moved right up there where the R is. Okay, let me go ahead and remove that. We'll try it again. All right, trash. So that 5, right above that, moved where the R is. So you can see that right there. When I just copied and pasted that, because I took this original part was over here, right there, and then I just moved it down. I just copied and pasted, and you can see in the video that I've listed above right there. So that was one of them. Another idea I had last night that I had was, if I take 38, is it 26? No, it's 38 plus, which I wrote up top. and then removed it. But 38 plus 25 would make 63, and that's the question mark at the very corner. The remainder amount, if you subtract that from 100, would be 37, which doesn't make sense. Because 73 is I, but then 36 is $. I haven't figured that out yet. But if you place them next to each other, 63 and 37, and take it from the middle out, they're right next to each other. But logically speaking, that's not how things work. I fully understand that. But I've been told this throughout the whole thing. This is not how it works. Pi is not that simple. It does not correlate to ASCII and English alphabet. But this literally says that the 25th column, it's got 5 and then 2 7s, and then that's the 14. If you add 577, the orange right there, which is the same position that the 134 is, I forget what it is. $134 plus 577 be 711. All right, and that I did a video on that, I think, on one of my drawing ones, where they're even. They're both even, and then that leaves AI, and then EL, or S is 19, so I correlate that to AI, and then EL is 5, 12, and then I multiplied that, I think. I went 5 to, 5 to 12, and then I did the 625, the 625 right there, and I crossed that out, and then you got the 14, or that's add inside of 42. Let's dump that. So we got that's spoken for. 0 to 14 for 24. Or if you do that whole point, so it's 625, 0, 24, and then that says 414. So it's dad. Which I've talked about dad before, but my dad's different than your dad. I almost guarantee it. So it's right there. So anyways, let's go ahead and try the X out of that, and then do it in reverse. So we've got 1, 2 to the power of 5. And that's right there. That's me forcing it, but so this is matched up. Alright. What I'm trying to explain is that numbers are actions and motions. So never mind. Once you get over the fact that I hate math, and then ignore half of what you were taught to repeat, things it's this half makes sense sort of deal. So if you translate all of pi into ones and zeros, and then give that to someone, there is no way for them to disseminate what's what. Other than being 1 or 0. And you would need a third number in there. But the problem is all computing is binary. And then quantum computing is quite simple. It's just 2 computers doing binary calculations, just feeding it back and forth. That middle part can be, it's the wire in between, or the information that's exchanged from one to another, makes it quantum, or both. because you don't know. It's the cat in the box type deal. So, all right, I'll leave it at that. Sorry for the long video.